What's up, what's up, what's up? Good morning mga ka-PSL. I am back again. My name is Vox and I have my co-caster here,
Sa SXM.
SXM. So we are here back in another best of 3 match of our PSL. We have here on the bottom right, the Red Zerg, ang may-ari ng Discord, Kageyoshi.
Let's go.
Kalaban niya ay Protoss main, I think, pero nagtetiran siya kasi gusto niyang matuto. So this is a TVZ match, best of 3. We have here Marlboro Red. Kamusta na dong?
Updates.
Updates. So na recently updates ang StarCraft 2 ngayon. This is before the update kasi replay lang to. So pag dumating na ang na-apply na sa global yung update ay sasabihin ko sa kanila na mag best of 3 sila para kita natin kasi may iniba from 12 workers to 8. Slow start yun, pero I heard na buff yung Zerg, yung Tiran mas pinalambot yung Ghost. 3 na ang supply dong, bili na to sa Ghost kunya ang Siege Tank pwede na ma-abduct. Sa Protoss wala nang ang yung gateway ay yung warp gate upgrade ay wala na sa cybernetics core, nasa gateway na.
Normal opening, no?
Normal opening from here the Terran. So
1 minute and 40 seconds.
1 minute. So we have here in the map Site Delta. Sinaunang map na to guys, tingnan niyo ang gandang beach oh. Dagat oh. Kita niyo naman diyan guys oh.
Dito ko tinalo si PCC.
So hanggat wala pang nangyayari, I would like to thank you sa mga sumuporta sa PSL. Thank you for following back and like the Facebook page and subscribe sa YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-follow sa aming Facebook page, just click the description below. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, ay just click the subscribe button and the notification bell. It will great help para more content agad dito sa ating PSL. And we have the first tripper here coming by Marlboro Red. So kita na dito guys, nakita na dito. Ito ka ni? Juggling speed. Juggling speed. Oy, binubumba dito na 1 drone down. 2 drones. 2 drone lang nawala dito guys. Oy, wow! Isang hit na lang. Bang! Wagsak ang ating first tripper doon guys. I don't think that's hindi na micro well enough kasi I think it was too late kasi naka-forma na ng Queen si Kageyoshi. Mostly kasi yung mga Reaper Harass wala pang Queen eh. So killing only 2 drones, walang masyadong damage doon.
Supposedly mag-zergling sila.
Mostly pag naharas ka ng Reaper hindi pa tapos yung zergling speed, mostly 4 to 6 zergling lang meron at nag-upgrade pa yung Queen. Nung pumasok na yung Reaper ni Marlboro Red dito, nakalabas na yung 2 Queen. So instant defense talaga yon. So Kageyoshi will have his 3rd hatchery here. Pataas siya ha, hindi siya. Ay, pang-4 na pala. So, pang-4 niya pala to. Hindi ko nakita to. So, this is the 3rd hatchery. 4 hatchery now. He's going for a macro build. Greedy build. By, sabi pa ni fanfiction, the Pot of Greed. So, si XXM dito ay naglalaro ng Dota. So, anong ginamit mo dad, Jong?
Rubik.
Tangin na, ginamit Rubik. Turbo?
Habang nag-aantay na matalo yung
So, we have here 4 Hellions already coming from Marlboro Red. Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have brought you flowers. Or nagkasalisi yung 4 na Zerglings tapos 6 Hellions dong. 6 Hellions. So this could be
out of the factory and a follow-up liberator.
This could be isang drone. Wow!
He spotted the 3rd.
Sunog! Roasted. Naging fried drones dito guys. Pangalawang 3 drones, 4 na drones. Kageyoshi, he needs to pull back all of his Zerglings para ma-def ito. Pero kulang pa, wala siya masyadong Zerglings.
Another
the follow-up liberators. You see, this is why Terran is very dangerous when harassing. Kasi yung harass nila pwede pang scout eh. They can gather information. Another zergling here coming. So, I don't see any siege tank, but nagsilipatan na ng reactor, nagkapalitan yung reactor to Teclab yung factory, tapos yung nakita ni dito ni Marlboro Red yung mga zerglings, nakita rin transform into the banelings guys, pero sinunog nila na dito, pero pamatong ng mga zerglings trying to catch up, but the roasted is here. Oh no, he's gonna be trapped. Maratap to. Naku, hindi pinilit na gano'n, pero maratap ito, pero sunog na naman yung zerglings. Dalawang drones ang nawala, pangatlong drones, the 2, 4. So the Liberator is going to get cash in on. Sunog dito mga zerglings guys, hindi nila mahuli-huli ang dami kasi ng Hellions. This is a max damage build coming from for Marlboro Red, and Bailing speed almost done here, and a Muta Dodong coming from Kageyoshi. Nasaan yung Spire? Nandito yung Spire.
Hindi niya nakita.
Nakita ba niya to? Hindi kita niya Hindi nakita. Hindi niya alam na may Mutalist. Ayan, and he figures out the Spire. Here comes the Zergling trying to harass. The Bailings roll again. There's gonna be a lot of damage for the Bailings. 4 SCVs. Not enough, but the Zergling is trying to clear the gap. Pero nasira din dito yung apat na yung Hellions dito guys. And the Hellion is going to be down and it's being cleared out. And man, this is a massive Zergling attack coming from Kageyoshi. The Liberators. Inaatake dito guys, but here comes the Zergling counter attack here. The siege tank, no! Takbo to yung tank! Yan, pinapito yung Mutalist, sinanghabol na dito guys, pero hinahabol na dito ng mga Zergling dito ang siege tank. GG is called. Marlboro Red. Kageyoshi will take game number 1 with a massive counter attack from the Zerglings guys. But call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. Welcome back to a game number 2 of our PSL Best of 3 series. We have here on the bottom left the Blue Zerg with an amazing dominating win with that massive Zergling counter rush. We have here ang may-ari ng Discord. We have here Kageyoshi and his opponent. Kaya ba niyang bumawi dito sa ating Best of 3 guys? We have here the Red Terran on the top left. We have Marlboro Red. Red siya ngayon guys. Nagkapalit sila ng colors. So, analysis. Noong unang game, that was a nice timing there for Kageyoshi. He wait for that timing for a attack. Hinintay niya yung bailing speed niya. He doesn't care about the harassment of that 6 Hellions who kills a lot of Zergs and drones. Tapos may Liberator pa. He doesn't care about that. That Spire tells Marlboro that it was the end. Kasi anti-air yun eh. So,
Too late for him to
hindi niya nakita. May Liberator siya pero hindi niya nakita. He's killing a lot of drones there, pero Kageyoshi was already formed an army. I think at no actually good defense there back in the Terran base. So I think both players did a really great job. The harassment, the macro style. Pero nakulangan na talaga ng death doon si Marlboro Red, and I hope he will win this game number 2 para may game number 3 tayo dito guys. So pangalawang hatchery dito. This map pala, Radhusset Station LE. Noon ito sa nung laro nila Maru versus Serral. Yung napangiti si Maru nung naano siya. Anong tawag yung skill ni ni Infestor? Skill ni Infestor ba?
Parasitic bomb?
Parasitic bomb ba to? Katong mga green tanan ba? Parasitic bomb niya. Nag-green tanang ghost niya. Nangisi siya.
Tanang punggal?
Fungal. Then ngumiti si doon si Maru kasi hindi na-expect. Ang galing ni Serral. Sabi niya. Ready mate. Here comes the first Reaper. Ang ganitong timing dong ba? May Reaper na, tapos build pa yung Queens. Sa ganito pa lang, pwede niya maharas yung mga drones. Wala pang Queen eh, so no one can dep. One drone. Uy! 2 drones. He needs to get back. ano, ano kasi yan eh, yung prior number number one role ng Reaper, early Reaper, is to deny a third expansion for a Zerg, lalo na pag TVZ. I-deny, ang role ng Reaper is to deny the third expansion, and Marlboro Red failed to do so kasi nakagawa ng pangatlong Hatsiri na dito si Kageyoshi. The Reaper's going to jump in na. Uy! Ano niya yun? And may queen na siya dito. He needs to get out. Inabangan ng queen. And that's a dead Reaper, guys. Bad map for a Reaper, actually. Kasi walang masyadong cliff na tatalunan. Because there another build here. Hellions. Another batch of Hellions build. Second command center is being built. Third command center pala. Evolution Chamber. Fourth hatchery is done, clearing the mineral block here to the fourth expansion. And Marlboro Red is going to do it the same thing. Isa lang Liberator and another 2 Hellions. Nice. So this is like the same build as before, with a harassment. Will it be enough though? What's this? Spore Crawler. Okay, Kageyoshi is prepared for that Liberator. He probably ina-expect niya na mangyayari yun. So here comes the Zergling again. Attack 4 Zerglings. Accompanied with 2 Zerglings. That's 6 Zerglings total. Oh, nako, naabangan! Nako, he needs to run off. And now Kageyoshi has the information. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 Hellions, Dodong. 8 Hellions.
Mag-amori na siya.
That's my Liberator. So this is like a biotypical army being frontlined by a Hellbat with a blue flame. Di ba? Mostly ginagamit niya ni sino tong Chinese player doon natiran? The Queen is dead, ha? Olivera. Gamit ni Olivera, guys. I think he's going to defend this one part. Uy, nice killing the dito, ha? Nice killing the Threat Tumor, but this is a massive attack here. The Banelings going to kill only 2 Hellions, but the Hellions is dealing a lot of damage. Hindi makalapit ito yung Banelings, guys, yung Zerglings. Oh no, they're gonna die. Roasted. 11 drones. And the Liberator is here. 11 drones, Dodong, nawala. Hindi natin nakita kasi naharas ito, and another harassment coming over the front, and sinunog dito yung mga queen. The queen is going to be burned down. The queen did not finish. And the aliens will be finished out by the Zerglings, but a massive damage done here coming from Marlboro Red. Killing a lot of drones there, buddy. Damn. And the Mutalist is going to target the Liberator. And the Spore is going to kill it anyways. Daming drone na wala doon. Nice damage. Third command center is being placed down. And here comes another wave attack here coming from Marlboro Red, from Kageyoshi. Will there be enough defense though? Can Marlboro Red stop this? I mean, he has here comes another attack, but the turret is going to deal the Mutalist, the Zerglings, and another Hellion is there. Walang SCV ang nawala, guys. Muntikan pang magtalo. Destroy there. Nice defense there for Marlboro Red. At counter-attack na sana yun ni Kageyoshi pero walang namatay na SCV doon. Kasi the missile turret is dealing damage to the Newt and he needs to go back. This is a lot of a lot of Marines. Banelings is being formed. So this could be a explosive attack coming from Kageyoshi, maybe just to deny the worker line of SCVs. Building speed is done, I guess. Siege tank being placed down. So he's prepared for this one. Neutral is here. Trying to see some some information. This is not enough. The corruptors help is going to be there. Why the corruptor though? For the Medivac? Okay. The Zerglings coming in. 75 SCVs against 78 drones. Keep up lang na kasi itong building na another trip there. Melee attacks, 10 seconds here. Upgrades. Okay. Level 2 attack here, melee attack here for the This is a massive army. Alam ni Kageyoshi to kasi may nakabantay na overlord. And this is not enough. This is not enough. Scanning. This is a massive attack here by Marlboro. I don't think Kageyoshi can stop this. Scanning. Okay, he has a lot of banelings though. Damn. Daming banelings ah. Daming banelings. He's going to be the banelings, guys. He needs to roll back. Daming banelings. Oh, po, sa siege tank. Nako. Hindi na-target yung siege tank. A nice attack there coming from the ubos dito guys. Ubos dito yung army. Nako, and here comes the backup coming from Marlboro Red. Ubos dito yung army ni Kageyoshi. Naka-free hit yung siege tank. Dito target lock, man. And here comes the Broodlord coming from Kageyoshi, but I don't think that's enough. Ubos yung Broodlord. Niratrat ng mga marine. This is GG, man. Okay, we're going to attack here, but that's enough because the siege tank is there. Another siege tank. Nine drones. The Ultralisk is May Ultralisk pala dito si Kageyoshi. Another full Ultralisk is being built. The Ultralisk is going to clear down all down the back line. Pero patay dito yung dalawang Ultralisk. But 4 Ultralisk is still coming. Another Ultralisk there. Obos. And here comes the Zergling trying to close the gap. Kaya pa to i-def. I think kaya pa itong i-def. 4 Ultralisk. Hinihintay na lang itong 4 Ultralisk. Another Ultralisk is there. Kaya pa to. But Kageyoshi tap out. Marlboro Red will take game number 2. Here we are on to our last game on this best of 3 series. Tied 1-1 tayo guys. We have here the amazing Blue Zerg on the top left. We have here the owner of the Discord. We have here Kageyoshi. And his opponent with an amazing comeback win there. The Terran on the right, bottom right, Marlboro Red. Analysis? I think nung namatay yung 11 drones ni Kageyoshi doon, hindi niya na counter agad. I think that was the turning point of the match. Kasi he spent all the larvas to build 13 drones just to keep up with the worker lines, with the resources, which makes him mas less yung army niya kumpara kay Marlboro Red, I think. And hindi siya nakapag-push ito kasi Marlboro Red already prepared for him with a nice missile turret there. So I think that's the key of this one. We found love right there. Oh, darling. First Reaper coming from Marlboro Red. The Reaper is going to jump onto this first natural. Wala pang queen. And I don't... It's two Zergling yan. Going to kill these guys. The queen is there.
Ganda, maganda yun. Sabi ko na yun.
Kuya Wan, ang tanim mo dong? Kuya Wan ang tanim mo. Third archery. Marlboro Red. Kita na yan dito yung ano, pero it was already greeted by Brenda guys. Building nest. Two Zerglings. 3 SCVs being killed. 4 SCVs before the 2 Zerglings is been done by the okay. Nice delay there coming from Kageyoshi. comes another 6 Hellions this time. Kalago pa rito. Oy! Patay. Yoshi needs to go back. He needs to defend this. This is a massive attack here coming from Vorored. This was the 6 Hellions. Ako, muti ka paray! Nasunog na ganang dito guys. 6 Hellions. 1, 2, 3. Oy! Nasunog. 4. Tapos ang Zerglings dito. Nice harass there, getting phone drones. Here comes the Liberator. Oh, I've already saw a lot of banelings, almost. The baneling nest is gone. Centrifugal hooks. Oh, that was a 5. Nice, there. Harass. And there's a nice again. Steam pack almost done. 11 seconds to be done. Sira dito yung Ay, hindi pala. Dito pala. 6, 7. Ah! There's another delay there coming from. Let's do a dead Liberator, guys. Shield is being built. The Reaper. 7 drones. Not bad. Ito talaga itong trip stormer na to. Oh, ba to? What? Borrowed. Okay, borrow. Plus 1 damage over Inspire. Here, I think Mutas. If not Mutas, Kageyoshi will go for a Corruptor, then Broodlord. Yeah, Muta is being built here, as you can see, guys. 7 minutes in here in the map of Golden Aura. The Vikings is going to destroy that Overlord, making it less supply. Oh, hindi pala. Nasagaw pa agad yung Nicholas dito kasi Vikings is going to die, I guess. Yep, the Marines is going to clear it out. No, buti pa nawala dito yung isang Nito dito, guys. Oh, there is another massive damage attack here coming from Alboro Red. There is a lot of army. 48 army against 24 ni Kageyoshi. How can he defend this? He needs to stop the upgrades. He needs to build armies, man. Kageyoshi, you're way below the army line, army count. Banelings being made, 13 banelings. Adrenal glands being researched. That's extra attack speed, I guess, and damage. Attack speed lang for the Zerglings. And the Mutas is not gonna be enough to clear this, but there's a lot of banelings though. He needs to micro this a lot. The banelings going to clear up, but the banelings over there. Guys, ubos ang Muta dito. Nasira yung siege tank, but a lot of Mutas is gone. Building Ultralisk. This is too late again. This is like last game. Mini attack almost done. This is just last game, guys. The Ultras is gonna be too late. Adrenal glands almost done, but there are no Zerglings. 40 Zerglings are being made. There's a lot of Zerglings trying to close the gap, but there's a lot of Zerglings trying to defend the base, but the Billing is going to clear that all the mineral line, but it is nice micro coming from Marlboro Red. GG is called, and Marlboro Red will take game number 3 and win the series in this best of 3, guys.